Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play as a keeper in FIFA. To begin, familiarize yourself with the basic controls. Use the left stick to move your keeper and the right stick to dive, pressing it quickly for reactive saves. Always try to position your keeper between the ball and the goal, anticipating the shot's direction. This foundational understanding is crucial for effective goalkeeping, allowing you to make those critical stops and keep a clean sheet. Moving on to advanced techniques, commanding your defense is vital. Use the call-out button to bring defenders closer or push them out, organizing your back line. Anticipate opponent movements by watching their body language and passing lanes. For one-on-one situations, rush out at the right moment, closing down the angle and spreading your body to cover as much of the goal as possible. Effective distribution is key to turning defense into attack. When taking goal kicks, aim for open teammates with power and accuracy, using the power bar. For throws, quickly release the ball to a nearby player to maintain possession or launch a swift counterattack. Your ability to manage the game's tempo from the back, slowing it down or speeding it up, significantly impacts your team's performance. To truly excel as a keeper, consistent practice is essential. Spend about 15 minutes in the practice arena focusing on diving, positioning, and distribution drills. After each match, review your highlights and lowlights to identify areas for improvement. Continuously refining your skills, like timing your rushes or perfecting your long throws, will elevate your game to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.